Ethics.
Bes, so may chopper naman.
Wow! Kakaibang walk sarap!
Bes, Karen! I love styling my hair. Pero bigtas, hair fall, Pantene. Enriched with pro-vitamins to make hair strong. Iwas bigtas, ano man ang style. Chicken nuggets! Burger steak! Fried chicken!
Basta prito, enjoy talaga sila. Kaya i-push natin ang sustansya para sa paglaki nila. Isustansya.
Yum!
For Luna, lagi akong may gravy. Made with Alaska. Wala nang iba. Totoong gatas to, kaya creamy sarap na, tulong pa sa paglaki. Kaya ang pritong ulam, isustansya.
Yum!
Sa Alaska at alaga mo, creamy sarap na, tulong pa sa paglaki.
Laging drained? Pharmaton Energy Plus. Powered by ginseng. Plus 40 vitamins and minerals that are important for the production of energy. Pharmaton Energy Plus. Mahalagang paalala, ang Pharmaton Energy Plus ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Downy Antibac.
Ulan! Ayan, kulog tuloy.
Pwedeng walang kulob with Downy's 99.9% Antibac power. Para sa bangong parang tinuyo sa araw.
It's like watching on sunshine with Downy. Cheesy on babies go home. That's cheesy on burger go. Cheesy on burger is the best. You deserve the best. Gotta have a cheesy and the BCS. That's cheesy on burger go. Good day for a date. Bad day for kate. Baka dandruff yan. Mag-Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Abangan ang mga balitang A to Z ngayong July 8. 10 milyong pisong pabuya alok sa makapagtuturo sa kinaroroonan ng puganteng si Apollo Kibuloy. Kaibigan sa dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, maaring kasuhan sakaling inililihim ang pinagtataguan ng religious leader. Sospek na 2 dating pulis hawak na ng PNP kaugnay sa pagpatay sa beauty queen na si Geneva Lopez at Israeli boyfriend. Motibo, away umano sa lupa.
Di lang naman ako yung nasaktan.
Senador Nancy Binay nagsampa ng ethics complaint laban kay Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Cayetano, nagbantang bubuelta.
Alam niya namang walang mangyayari dyan sa ethics case eh. Pwede ko rin siyang pailan ng ethics case eh.
Pilipinas at Japan lumagda ng kasunduan para patatagin ang depensa at seguridad.
Thank you so much always for your voice.
WWE fighter John Cena inanunsyo ang pagreretiro sa 2025. At sa ating balitang showbiz, beauty queens noon at ngayon nagsama-sama sa glitzy 60th anniversary ng Binibining Pilipinas. Mirna Esguera ng Abra Province itinanghal na Binibining Pilipinas International. Mamaya na yan pagkatapos ng Zoomers sa balitang A to Z.
Walang mababasa.
Parang hindi naman ako yun.
Kahit umaagos ang saya with free zine.
Tama ka.
Ang ganda ng laugh trip sa M&M. The more, the merrier.
Charot-charot tayo nito, hindi niyo ako maloloko. Hindi si Ate Rage to.
For real ang love sa She's Dating the Gangster.
Totoong nagpugustuhan na kita.
Maging tayo na.
Walang kapalit ang kilig sa My X and Y's.
Pangit ba ako? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
Winner ang pag-ibig sa I Love You Hater.
How can a boy manage this job?
Sino ba nagsabing lalaki ako?
At nakoko in love ang story ng Maybe This Time.
Pinahal kita.
There was never an us.
Stay dry and happy with Libreng Zine.
Really?
Afternoon Cinema, 4 p.m.
Para sa...
It all started as a mission to reach the unreached and plant the message of truth and love in every heart and household. This 2024, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated celebrates 33 years of unwavering commitment to advancing God's kingdom. For over 3 decades, Zoe Broadcasting Network has transformed and uplifted lives in the Philippines and all over the world by producing and broadcasting competitive, creative, informative, and values-oriented content for the glory of God. 33 years of passionate and wholehearted love for God, selfless service, creativity, courage, integrity, excellence, and teamwork. Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated remains devoted to becoming the most trusted world-class multimedia network and will continue to be the light for the world and invest in eternity. Here's to 33 years and 33 years more. Happy anniversary, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.